Welcome to Chicken Noodle Mr. Ragil in Yogyakarta, located exactly in Pasar Telo, Yogyakarta. And now I'm here. I would like to tasting the chicken noodle Mr. Ragil, and I met with the becak rider in here. His name is Mr. Muji, and he asked me something, but it doesn't matter, it's okay, everything. But there are a lot of people love so much with that chicken noodle. Bye bye, thank you so much, yummy.